Here's the pig feeder, a window on each side. Pig. If you slide the lid off, it's a 200 litre drum, 44 gallons in the old measure. The hole cut in the top, put the grain in, and the pigs push on the bottom and lets a bit out. It's hard to see. Underneath is just two holes, small holes, so not too much comes out at once. And there we have it. Just on a bar through there to act as pivot point, and a couple of bits of poly pipe to keep it centralised. What do you think of that, Big Pig? Big Pig. Hello. Good scratch. Good pig.